Today we're looking at how Base44 grew so fast and why its rise became such a big story in the AI app builder space. Base44 is an AI-powered vibe coding app builder that managed to scale incredibly quickly without paid marketing. That means no big ad spend, no aggressive funnels, and no traditional growth hacks that rely on buying attention. Instead, Base44 grew through product-driven momentum, word of mouth, and strong demand for a tool that made app building feel fast, simple, and accessible. If you enjoy breakdowns like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software and startup tutorials, because we post practical videos that help you understand how tools grow, how they work, and why they matter. So, how did Base44 grow so fast? The first major factor was timing. Base44 launched in early 2025, right when interest in AI-powered development tools was exploding. More people than ever wanted to build apps without writing everything from scratch, and Base44 tapped directly into that demand. It positioned itself as a vibe coding app builder, which made it especially appealing to creators, founders, and builders who wanted to turn ideas into working products quickly. The second factor was the product itself. Base44 offered a clear value proposition: build faster with AI, avoid the usual technical friction, and get something real up and running in less time. When a product is easy to understand and delivers obvious value, users are more likely to share it. That creates natural growth, and that's exactly what happened here. Another big reason Base44 grew was that it did not rely on paid marketing. Instead, the company benefited from organic discovery. In today's software market, a tool that solves a painful problem and feels exciting to use can spread incredibly quickly across communities, social platforms, and founder networks. People talk about products that feel new, useful, and impressive, and Base44 fit that pattern very well. Base44 also reached over 400,000 users in a very short time, which shows just how strong the product market fit was. When users sign up at that scale without paid ads, it usually means the product is doing the marketing for itself. Users try it, like it, and then bring others in. That kind of growth is much harder to fake and much more valuable than temporary traffic spikes. Then came the revenue milestone. Base44 reportedly hit $1 million in annual recurring revenue, or ARR, just weeks after launch. That's a huge signal because it shows the company was not only attracting attention, but also converting that attention into real business value. Rapid user growth is impressive, but rapid monetization is what turns a product into a serious acquisition target. And that's exactly what happened next. Within its first 6 months, Base44 was acquired by Wix for $80 million. That acquisition reflects both the speed of Base44's growth and the strategic importance of what it had built. For a platform like Wix, adding an AI-powered app builder with that kind of traction makes a lot of sense, especially as the market continues moving toward faster, more automated creation tools. The big lesson here is that Base44 grew because it combined the right timing, a strong product, organic demand, and a simple but powerful promise. It showed that in the AI era, a product can grow extremely fast even without paid marketing if it solves a real problem and gives people a reason to share it. If you found this breakdown helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more software growth stories and easy explainers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.